So now I want to do one more thing. That's us using our application. But what gets interesting is, what about you using our platform to develop new innovative applications? We want people to be able to add new value by building applications that help make value for yourself, but also value for the borrower to make an easier experience, or the lender. So I'll show you an example. What if you're a loan officer and you're trying to close business? And you're trying to figure out who to talk to. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:38 a.m.
Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, where are we?
I can't find the answer to the question I heard.
Okay. Alexa, Loan Officer Connect.
Jeff Collins, you are now logged into Encompass Loan Officer Connect. What do you like to know?
Alexa, what rate lock expirations are happening this week?
The Harville loan has rate lock expirations for this week.
What rate lock expirations are happening this month?
The Harville, Smith, and Adams loans have rate lock expirations for this month.
What is the current program and rate on the Smith loan?
The Smith loan has a 30-year fixed with a 4.2% APR.
Run product and pricing for a better rate on the Smith loan.
Rosewood Lending has a 30-year fixed mortgage with a 4.00% APR.
Thank you.
You have been logged out from Encompass Loan Officer Connect.
Awesome. So you've now seen a multi-enterprise voice-enabled demo for both a borrower and a lender persona. So it was that complicated. But the key point being is that we want to create a platform that has open APIs to foster innovation from any of a number of different partners. Today, we have just announced it last week, and it's open to customers. And the reason is our customers customize, they want a unique experience for Encompass no matter what they're doing. Every lender is going to be different. But what we see coming this year is releasing all of the APIs and functionality you saw today in a way that vendors of any kind, independent software vendors, credit vendors, I saw a asset verification and identity vendor here today. Anybody can plug into this platform and become part of the ecosystem. The goal being that by working together with LMA and those of you working with us on the platform, simple goal, make borrowers' lives easier and lower the pain for them to get more people into houses. Okay, take questions. How much does the platform cost? That's a great question. So we have a fixed minimum charge, and that's just to protect ourselves from a revenue standpoint for if a lender isn't doing much business. But most of our revenue comes from what's called success-based pricing. You close a loan, we get part of that loan revenue. So most of our lenders are on that, and it runs the range, but it's in the $100 a loan range, but it varies. What API events get pushed out for the webhook? Is every event guaranteed to be sent and appear in real time? Okay, so it's not in real time, it's near real time. But the events that are getting pushed out right now are loan events, and the loan events are just the beginning. We want to push out contact change events. We want to push out milestone events, like a loan has crossed a threshold. I want to put out rate lock as an event, because all of those are business significant. And over the next year, you're going to see us add a ton of those, because then you can notify all kinds of different systems, including doing pop-up notifications in your own UI. So we're going to be adding lots and lots of webhooks over time. Does one have to pay to get access to the dev portal? We do not have our formal vendor program started yet. Some models out there, like at Salesforce, have that kind of pay model. We are not sure we're going to follow that model, and we don't have an answer yet. Look for that at the summer timeframe. We're going to have more details on how to get in as a vendor. Does this go through all mortgage steps from beginning to end? Well, okay, so it depends on what you think of mortgage steps. There are mortgage steps like securitization and servicing and things like that that Ellie Mae doesn't do. But in terms of origination, from the moment that someone calls you and says, hey, can you lend me some money to buy a house, all the way to a valued asset, Ellie Mae software does that.